Okay, so we're gonna film this street right here. We're gonna go basically just walk straight down that way, and I'll just kind of tell you all about that in a minute. And we got a green light, but it's gonna be red in a second. So okay, so we're gonna walk down that, and I'll tell you what's happening here. It's kind of interesting. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're back. These are coming off kind of more long distance stuff, and then there's kind of this local little street right here. I just kind of want to show you this kind of coolness. You got this kind of stuff right here. Got a big wine shop, and the reason this wine shop is like this, there's a little mountain in the background, a little hill. But the reason this big wine shop is here is because this is the border right here. So straight down that way is the border, Zhuhai, China. You can see parts of it from here. We're going to be doing that in a separate video, but right at the moment, we're gonna get a little closer to the wine shop, and we're also gonna go down this tiny little street right here, and we're also gonna try to capture the street sign as well. So we got a little handful of stuff we're gonna try to do. Here's our green light. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. This is our street right here, Centro de Toi San, and let's get over here. So this is just a tiny little street, but look at all this whiskey. Got whiskey, got Japanese whiskey, Suntory whiskey, French brandy, Hennessy. So this is all because we're so close to the border. A lot of people will come down and just get alcohol. So you got all kinds of stuff. Hennessy's, Martell. So yeah, you can see this one definitely has more of a whiskey. You'll also see a lot of wine too. But yeah, it's really popular. So what we're gonna do is just walk straight down this street, because the border is over that way, but this also connects down to another street down here too. And it's kind of interesting. I usually don't film in this area very often, so it's good to kind of come down and check it all out. Yeah, it's interesting. There's that overpass. So I think that that overpass in a roundabout way gets you all the way to Taipa from the border. So that's that's part of the reason I kind of wanted to film it a little bit. And I think what I'm going to do is I want to capture whatever this main road is right here. This is ours, Centro de Toi San. And there's more stuff down there. Looks like there's like a nun on that green board up there. This would equally be an interesting street to go down. Definitely this one as well. And you have a park over here too. Let's just see if this is the same or different. If it's the same, I wouldn't mind filming a little bit in this area. Still the same. So Centro de Toi San. So there it is right there. Still the same. That's our crossroad. So some people want to look it up, and you can see how this traffic moves like that on those over there. And then yeah, Rua de Toi San. So we're just gonna go directly down. We got this beautiful park right here. So we're gonna go walk through it a little bit. Yeah, so this is I never film up here. I never walk up around this area. It's kind of hard to get to when you live where I live. I generally don't cross the border very often, right? So, and now it's completely, well, it's open right now, but the COVID, it's a little bit, I don't want to cross it, basically. There's some COVID cases now as of this date. I'll put the date down below so you can see what date it is. And we're just gonna keep on going down because there's some kind of interesting, I never see this kind of housing before. This housing like this, there's like little balconies with little glass things like that. Like that glass one looks really cool. Then the rest are just normal. But I think if I had a balcony, I'd want a glass one like that. And actually this one also has like a little courtyard. Huh, that's different. Let's just keep on going down. I haven't really been in this area to see this kind of stuff. There's a fire down there. Huh. Kind of interesting street. I don't know what the fire is all about. Looks like they're going to be coming down here a little bit. Salcua de Mission de Fatima. I don't know where they're going. Well, it's not really our focus of our road, but they are going to be doing something over here. Oh, they're bringing the fire truck down. So, okay, well, let's just kind of see what they do. Looks like they have something going on here. Got 2 fire trucks. Let's go down over this side and see if we can catch it. Must be something going on up there. Just don't see anything. Huh. Comes another fire truck. I don't really see what it is. I guess I just get out of here. So we're gonna keep on walking down our street and just see. I don't know what it is that's on fire. We'll get out of the way. I just film separately down here because this looks kind of interesting. But we can come back and film in a little bit. Okay, so this is called Escola Nossa Senhora. Ooh, cool flag. Huh. Kind of interesting apartment too. Dang. So interesting down here. Looks like there's some more people with cameras. I didn't see any fire though. Look at that. I'm gonna keep on walking all the way down. So I don't know what that fire is, but we'll just keep on walking down. Look at all these apartments like that. It's massive. Dang, look at that. Look how imposing that is. Okay, so let's just keep on walking down a little bit further. There's all these different side streets that could go down too. I think that over there is on the Zhuhai China side, I think. We'll just walk all the way down because I've never been on this street before. It's kind of interesting. Check out the architecture of this one. It's like a parking garage right here too. So check that out. Dang. That is bizarre looking. Okay. So anyways, like a Taobao shop, I think. Another ambulance. So it's gonna keep on walking all the way down. That looks kind of interesting over there too, because it looks like it's like abandoned. So let's take a look and see what that is. Yeah, I never come over in this area. This is like right next to the border. So in my experience, next to the border is people are not used to foreigners at all, so they stay a lot. Huh. Looks like apartments, not apartments, but like squatters. It's weird. Huh. Bananas, there's like fresh bananas in there. Huh, it's a house. Huh. Sort of alleys go down like that. Oh, okay. So I think this is a 6-pack. Yeah, I think I have been down in here before. Yeah, I have. It's been a while. Anyways, that's our focus right there. Dang, look at that. Okay. So we're gonna end this one right here.